Hello guys, Anna here again and welcome back to another travel show. But before we get to the video, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for you to be updated for more upcoming videos. So for today's episode, we will be doing a glamping here in Treasure Mountain, Tanay, Rizal. Sobrang fresh nung hangin dito guys. Ang oras ngayon ay alas 4 na. Pero napaka-fresh ng hangin niya. Siyempre, feel na feel mo talaga yung sobrang fresh ng air. So yun guys, as you can see, ganda ng view natin. Nasa tuktok tayo. Anong oras na ngayon? So time is 6 p.m. Kung gusto niyo pumunta dito, kailangan niyong mag-book mga 3 to 5 days bago kayo pumunta dito para siguro yun sa availability ng tent nila o kaya sa room. So yan. Meron sila ditong day tour at saka overnight stay. So for overnight stay, yung check-in nila is 4 to 8 p.m. Pero pag na-late ka ng 8 p.m. onwards, hindi ka na allowed sa check-in. So for day tour, from 5 a.m. to 3 p.m. So for overnight stay, entrance fee is free dahil whether you like it or not, you really have to get their tent kasi you are not allowed to bring your own tent kasi meron silang tent dito na for rent at saka may mga room sila dito. So for kinuha namin, good for 4 which is 2,300 and meron silang good for 2 which is 1,300. So ayan, doon sa kinuha nating tent, mayroon siyang breakfast inclusion. So, yung kinuha namin, good for 4. So, it has 4 breakfast. So, meron na siyang pillows and blankets. Also guys, if you want to avail the room, kung ayaw nyo matulog sa tent, they also have rooms here from 4,000 to 6,000 pesos. Dito sa camping site, maraming bawal. Bawal uminom ng alcoholic. Ayan. Bawal manigrilyo. Doon ka talaga sa mga designated areas na inaalaw lang nila. So yun guys. Kung gusto nyo talagang pumunta dito, maliban sa pera, sasakyan, syempre kailangan magdala ka ng jacket. Malamig eh. Ayan guys, since wala kaming dalang pagkain, napa-order kami sa restaurant nila. Meron silang rice meals, this one, 180 pesos. Pwede kang mag-order dito ng food, drinks. guys! Good morning! So yan guys, kakagising lang po natin. Time check is 7 a.m. So, ang temperature ngayon is 19 degrees. Eto yun, hindi naman talaga ako nakatulog eh. Kasi parang camping siguro is not for me. So this is our breakfast that comes with our accommodation. So yun guys, yung choices of breakfast nila, puro mga silog, mga tap silog, long silog, spam silog. So yun guys, tapos na po kaming kumain. And mamaya-maya lang, proceed na tayo doon sa ating activities for today before we check out. Yung obstacle course. When it comes to height, I'm not ready at all. But I will try. Let's go! Kaya natin to! Hindi siya mahirap, te. Mabilis lang siya. As long as marunong kang humawak. Paano hindi ko kaya siya? Kuya, wag kang ganyan! Kuya, mamamatay ako nito. Ay, kuya, tapos saan ako pupunta? Putik. Ang dulas. Feeling ko mamamatay na ako. Papa! Kuya, wait lang!
Gusto niyong makita sa person na.
Huwag ka maingay! Ay! Ay! Ang lubid! Ay! Ay! Kuya, huwag mo kailangan! Kuya, wait lang, kuya! Ay, wait lang. Pwede ba ako bumaba dito? Yung kamay ko. Dito ba ako, kuya, tatapak? Kukross lang ako sa bridge. Sisiw to. Natatakot. Basically, yung kinakatakutan talaga ng tao, baka. Para sa akin, natatakot ako dun sa, maganda siya, masarap. Kaso lang, natatakot ako, baka mawala ako dun sa duyan. Baka tumilapon ako dun, kasi sobrang ganun. Actually, the first one is a very, it's very hard for me, kasi first time ko eh. So, ayun guys, kailangan mo talaga ng balancing at saka kailangan mo din ng force. Pinakamahirap for me yung first one. Yung sa rope lang. Doon sa experience natin ng gabi, doon sa tent. For me kasi parang baka hindi lang talaga ako sa mga camping kasi sobrang disturb ako dahil doon sa tent medyo maingay dahil sobrang mahangin siya. But it was okay, the weather was okay. So ayun. Eto, the next morning naman, meron silang breakfast so kumain kami, ganon. Tapos nag-proceed kami sa itong obstacle course. So we experienced this place is greatly recommended for everyone. So yun guys, ako kasi nag-enjoy ako ng sobra because of the nature, most especially the nature. So guys, kung nag-enjoy kayo sa episode na ito, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more upcoming videos and more beautiful videos like this. So see you again next time on another travel show. So bukas, itatry natin yung tinatawag nilang obstacles degree. Where you... Ha? Ha?
Obstacle course.
Ah, course? Course?